I'm getting a blizzard warning. Hang on.
Winter weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Lake and Lorain. Blizzard warning now in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Accumulations, 6 to 12 inches of snow. Timing, heavy snow and blowing snow will taper off late this evening. The snow will vary in intensity this evening. Winds northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts of 35 miles per hour. Impacts, blizzard conditions will make for dangerous travel conditions into tonight. Temperatures, upper 20s. Visibilities, near zero at times from the combination of falling and blowing snow this evening. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Visibilities will be near zero at times, making travel extremely dangerous.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity.